obviously, but the next hack is find the mind mapping with Tony Buzan video. There's actually an interview that's quite interesting as well. If you get down the rabbit hole, go there as well. This one's the how to do the mind mapping, and Tony Buzan has got his own special ways, but you know, he's focused on his way. But nevertheless, there's reasons, and it's a powerful tool that you can use not just with like writing essays or anything like that, but you can write an entire book outline just using a mind map, as I've done before. My mind maps kind of get a little bit messier than Tony's, but it's a really amazing way to do it because it goes with radiant thinking, as you're going to learn in that video. So radiant thinking's great. And then you've got your data side of looking at, you know, competition, categories, ads, keywords. Look, that could just make you go, oh my God, I've no idea after all that. So you don't want to go down that, oh my God, area if you are susceptible to it. So it's just more interesting to see what people are looking for. You know, you can go to Keyword Planner and AdWords as well to see the exact numbers. Keyword Planner's kind of owned by Google, so you've got to log in, you've got to register, you know, da. So yeah, not everyone's going to want to do that, but I just think some of these free tools are really useful when you are wanting to know what people are thinking about out there, and like just getting simple little ideas for subheadings in your book. It's like it's going to help me write my book about mental health because it's giving me ideas already just looking at this. And then I can go to Google Scholar. You know, if you're not at a university, you know, you've got to use other tools because your university library might be off kilter. But if you go to Google Scholar, you can look up all these articles anyway. So that's another hack. You know, let's just go mental health disorders. So, you know, it's giving me the actual places I should get my information from for this because I don't want the general run-of-the-mill stuff. So, and it's using all those words that they love to use as well. So that's really great because I can narrow down on the type of disorder I want to look at and see what the actual experts are saying, and then kind of spur me to write about that particular area. And maybe I can concentrate on my country. So that's Google Scholar.